Well, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, traders from across the globe. Thank you, as always, this time for tuning into my 2006, let's start that over, 2968th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Traders, there's a lot of risk involved in trading. Please know that. Risky. Never trade without stops. This video is for trading on September 12th, which is a Friday, 2025. We've got a green Omni for trading, but let's step back. Last night's video, I came out in front of the camera and I said, flat tops produce market drops. The market's going to go down. And guess what happened? I was completely wrong. Stupid, wrong, didn't happen. I'll show you what did happen in just a quick second. What sort of happened on Wednesday for Thursday, being today I'm speaking to you now, on Wednesday we went all the way up to that flat top where we got out of a profit from being long, and it dropped all the way back down. Basically, we thought that was it. The flat top was about to work. Well, that was last night. Then we add in Thursday, and look what happened. Here, wait, let me show you exactly what happened when we add in Thursday. Talk about being wrong. Look at how wrong I was. Put your stops in. Put them in first. This could happen to anybody. Now, here's what I will tell you. Do not shy away from the next flat top. I've been showing you flat tops and videos for 19 years. I don't think I can think of 3 of them that didn't work in 19 years. This being one. So don't let that deter you the next time we see a flat top. But I was wrong. This was wrong. Sorry, Omniacs. Bad call last night. Oscar was wrong. But now if you look at the chart again, get rid of the flat top. We went through it. It took out all the stops. Look at how smartly it's gotten above. Right? And that's good because the Omni's turned green again for trading on Friday. We've got a green Omni. There's more, though. Watch this. Oh, that's not it. Let's go here. All right, and we'll pull this down a little bit. So, NASDAQ, as I've been showing you every time we look at the NASDAQ chart, stayed inside this wonderful channel all the way along. Then it started holding the average, then the channel and the average, and boom, we break out of this, I guess you'd have to call it a nice pennant, and away we go. And this looks great. It's got a nice look to it, right? Nothing wrong with that. I've got a green Omni, so I can tell you about the upside. Traders, OMNIBootCamp.com. OmniCamp will be held in October 17th. This is next month. October 17th through the 21st. That's at the Gold Coast in Queensland, Australia. Go to Omni Bootcamp now and book those tickets. But something even cooler than that, check this out. Hopefully it's on here. If not, I'll put it on for you. All right, so let me show you. Now we've got the E-mini S&P, which is another monster-looking market. It's gotten above all of this action here, all these tops, completely above, looking good. It only had the one day where it got below the average and below the trend line and held it all along. So back in the saddle, everything looks good. One of the things I wanted to remind you of is this. Check this out. Free seminar this Saturday. Free seminar this Saturday. I will put the link below this video. It's free to you. I'm going to spend a lot of time getting ready for it. Click the link below. Sign up for the free webinar this Saturday. It's not at Live with Oscar. It's below this video. Click the link below and sign up for this free webinar this Saturday. I'll go over a bunch of great charts with you. Now, what is propelling these markets? All right, so we had that flat top. It didn't respect the flat top. On we go. You know, I've been bullish through this whole move. So, what is propelling this? Well, here's what is propelling this. It's not a question. It is what's propelling this. The 30-year bond market and or the treasuries. Powell is getting ready to lower rates. The market knows this. The market is starting to race up. The last time the market raced up like this, that's when, by the way, when T-bonds go up, interest rates go down. When T-bonds go down, interest rates go up. When T-bonds go up, Interest rates inherently go down whether Jerome Powell raises them, lowers them, doesn't matter what he does. If bonds go up, rates go down automatically. If bonds go down, rates go up automatically. Well, we had a nice run up, rates went down. We had a run down, rates went up. We had a nice run up, rates went down. We had a nice run down, rates went up. We're having a nice run up, and we're going back to the average. If we could get ourselves above this 200 bar average, it will explode. We need more of this because bonds going up means interest rates are going down, and that propels the stock market. It pushes up the stock market. It has to. It's got to do with what the price pays bonds. When companies sell forward corporate bonds each month to pay for their day-to-day overhead, they've got to give out a certain amount of interest. When they get to borrow that interest at a cheaper price, it helps their bottom line immediately. It helps their bottom line. It buoys up stocks. It also buoys up real estate. Bonds going up makes interest rates go down. That makes the stock market go up. It makes real estate go up. Keep that in mind, kids. This is feeding the stock market rally. Next week, Jerome Powell is going to start lowering rates. I don't think he's supposed to do that. I've never, in my 44 years, I have never watched the Fed lower rates while the markets were making all-time highs. Never have I seen this. I think the Fed's succumbing to pressure, but it is what it is. I trade. I don't make these decisions. I've never seen this in my entire 44 years. Let them lower the rates. Market's just going to explode. Now, what else do we have out there? Now that I gave you a bad trade on Thursday, I thought I'd try to make it up for you in this video. So here's a good trade. At least I hope it will be a good trade for you tomorrow. That would be... I'll find it, I promise. There we go. Hi-ho, silver! Away! Traders, look at silver. Welcome to bull flag heaven. What does that mean? Bull flag leads to a bull flag, leads to a bull flag, leads to a bull flag, and a little baby bull flag leads to a bull flag. Now, what happens every time we get to the top of that bull flag, people? Can you see it? We break out. Top of the bull flag, breakout. Top of the bull flag, breakout. Top of the bull flag, it makes another bull flag. We are at the top of the bull flag. The OMNI's green. We're buying dips in silver. Our targets remain valid. 44.27, then 44.52 in your silver. That's one. The second gift I wanted to offer you was one of my favorites. Bitcoin, 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 Bitcoin. Another market that loves bull flags. Big bull flag breakout. Leads into a flagpole, creates another huge flag, just had a little bit of a spurt through, then started respecting top and bottom of the flag once again. We're getting out of that flag right now. We're holding the average. This looks good. This looks good, kids. We've got a live webinar Saturday. Click the link below. Make sure you sign up for it. We'll go over more Bitcoin and many other markets. Please like and subscribe to these videos. Share them around the internet. It would really help. Certainly leave your comments. I answer all of your comments. If you look back, just about any comment someone leaves, I'll answer, and you're going to find out about that in a minute. Australian Omni Campers, don't forget the Gold Coast. It happens on October 17th. OMNIBootcamp.com if you want to join me in Australia. Then there is this for RJJ ONEJA 6235. Oscar, please show us United Healthcare. This is one of my Omniacs who follows me on YouTube. Well, here it is, United Healthcare UNH. Huge gap right here. See, guys? Huge gap. The gap was left back here. We are now looking for a gap fill up to the 377, 379 area. And that's what we're expecting on UNH. The market looks bullish. Why shouldn't UNH go with it? Huge funds are in UNH, and it looks like they're trying to fill that gap on the upside. Traders, I hope that helps. Make sure you join me at livewithoscar.com. Click the link below. Join me Saturday. And remember, stop sore in. Times are rock and roll traders. I will see you at the seminar on Saturday, and I will see you all at livewithoscar.com every day and night. I hope to see you there.